Hey everyone, welcome back to WDCODERS. Today in this video, we will see how to create shared input box in Angular 18. Okay, let's start the video. So you can see I have created a project and also I have installed a Tailwind CSS which I will use for the designing part. First of all, I need to be add one folder in the app folder with the name of components. Under this component, I will create a shared component with the name of input box. Now in the terminal, I will put this command and you can see shared component generated. Okay. Now this I need to be import in this app.component.ts file input box. On the HTML, I need to put the selector and let's confirm it's working fine. So you can see now it's working fine. Let's add the input box in this HTML file. Now check once. So here you can see we have the input box here. Let's beautify with the Tailwind classes. I will put this classes. Now let's check this one. So we have the input box now. Now for the testing in the form, I will create a login form in the app.component.ts file. So let's create this one. Login form group I need to be. But before this, I need to be import the reactive forms module. I will add the constructor. I need to be inject a form builder. In this login form, I will add a two field. Done. Now I will create one more function here on submit. I will add a if condition here. In the HTML file, I will create a proper form. Inside this div, I will add one more tag for form event. Okay, let's see once. Is nice. Let me add one more width here. Let's see. Yeah, this is fine. Let me add one more heading. Font bold. Yeah, this is fine. That's perfect. Now, this is the input box we have been added. Now, we need to be add some inputs in the input box component.ts file. Let's add the label first. I will import this input. We need a name also. I will add a placeholder and the required also we need to be put. So how we will use this one on HTML file? So we need to be add a name like this. And also I will add the ID and I will use the name here, placeholder. And one more thing is required or not. So required we will use for the labels also. So suppose we have the required is true, then we need to be add one label here. Here we will put a label. We will add the classes and margin also we will put. Let's see once how that will be look like. So here I will add a name is email and placeholder will be email address and this will be a required field. True. We need to be add the label also here. Label will be a email address. Let's see once. So here you can see placeholder also coming and the label also we have. So if we have the required field, then we need to be add the required field for the span because we need to be show the star in the red. So here I need to be use this one. And for this one, we will put a label condition. Okay. Like this, I want to say shouldn't be blank. Okay. Now, if we have the required, it's true, then we need to be show this star mark. And let's add the red color for this text, red. Yeah, that's fine. Now we need to be add one more field for the password. So this I will put in a div. I will put a margin from the bottom, make a copy of this one, right? Now let's see once. So here we have the password, here we have the email. Let me add one button. Let's see once. Yeah. And I will put a border radius. Yeah, that's fine. And I need to be add the text uh, small. So now you can see I need to be add the form control also here, right? So, but before that, what I need to do in a app.component.ts file, I need to be create a control here, login form control. So I need to be return this login form dot get, and here I need to be put the field name. It will be a string. As a form control, I need to be return. So here I can add a control. I know I did not create this one, but let's create first. So in the TS file, I need to be add like this, input control will be a form control. That will be the type. Okay. Here I need to be add a reactive form module, and this control I need to be add in a HTML input box form control like this. Okay. Now in this I need to be put a field name. So we have this email, and for the password also I need to put. Now we need to check if we will add the data here, it will be shown in the console log. So I will add like this. When you click on this login, okay, now this is not showing. Let me check first. Ah, yes, we need to be add the form group here. Will be a login form. Okay, let's remove this from the URL and type again. So you can see we have the data now. But the problem is in the password input box, we don't have the type. So for the type also we need to be create one control here. So I will add a input will be for the type. So let's create a type here for the input box type. Okay. This I can do. And this type I need to be add in this HTML. Type. Okay. Now we need to be add the type also here. Type will be a email. Here I need to be put a password. Let's see. Yeah, this is working fine. Okay. Now we need to add the validation, because if you click on this login button, we don't have the required field should be come here. The message should be come here. For this, I need to be add a if condition here. And you can see this class already I have added here form error. So for now, here we need to be add a login form get field name. I need to be type here as error is required. If we have the error for this, and we need to be add a condition for the touched also, like this dot touched. If we have the true, then we need to be type email is required. Let's see. Yeah, message is coming. Now the same we need to do for the password. Password is required. Okay. When you click on the login button, yeah, we have the message here. So this is the thing that I want to do. Now we have a shared input box which we can use in anywhere in the application. Guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you so much guys for watching the video.